Goodbye white hair. Just pass this on your hair and leave it for 5 minutes. Look at the results. If your hair has started to look gray, but you do not want to dye it, this may be the perfect solution for you. All you have to do is prepare the following recipe to get rid of the annoying white hairs. Instead of going through a box of dye and coating your gray hairs, try this natural remedy: potato peels. Believe it or not, the starch in potato peels acts as a natural coloring that helps slowly cover the gray in a matter of weeks or months. Potato peels have been used to dye fabrics and even hair since ancient times, and, although this is an ancient natural remedy, has remained for its effectiveness and for being 100% natural and safe. The preparation of this remedy is very simple, and you only need one ingredient: potato skin. 1. For 5 potatoes and put the skin of all of them in a pot with water. 2. Bring to a boil and simmer for 5 to 6 minutes. 3. Set aside and allow to cool. 4. Then pour the liquid into a plastic container or bottle. 5. If you want to smell a little better, you can add a few drops of your favorite essential oil. Your white hair remover will be ready for use. 6. Next, wash the hair and then rinse and massage the scalp with this mixture. 7. Leave it on for 5 minutes before washing it with warm water and your usual shampoo. 8. Repeat the process several times during the week and you will soon notice a significant improvement. In just a few weeks you will be surprised by the results.